Hello, this is Library Media Specialist David Hilgendorf wanting to share with you a way that you can change your items that have text, like a PDF or a JPEG or PNG document, into an editable document within Google Docs. So it's quite a simple process. If you're in your Drive, and you already have an image, like a JPEG of a photo that you've taken, or a PNG of a screenshot, something like that, all you need to do is find it within your Drive, right-click on the item itself, and then open with, and then you choose what you're going to open it with. In the case of the JPEG, you can just open it with Google Docs. And that will slowly do a conversion process. What it'll do is it'll give you an image at the top, and then at the bottom, it will also show you how it comes across in words. So that's optical character recognition. It'll take what the Google sees as the words and will turn them into editable words. So here's the original image. And if you scroll down, you can see that this is now editable text down here. You probably also have to do some editing, especially with names or things like that. This one, it went, from typing to typing, so it's pretty good. If it's something that is, formatted in different ways, the formatting won't come across. But you can. One great thing is you can also do this with handwriting. So let's use this note as an example. Now I have terrible handwriting, but I took some notes when I was at a meeting. So I'm going to try opening this one in Google Docs. Now this one was a .png type of document because I used a scanning app on my phone, which I highly recommend. It's called Scannable. That turns documents into documents. Instead of taking a photo, it turns them into a .png, and looks really nice. But then this is how you can turn that into. So see how my writing is really awful. You can barely read it. And we'll see what that turns into when we scroll down. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't like my handwriting very much, but you can see that some of this is actually the words that I wrote down there. So that would require a lot of editing. If I had nice handwriting, then it would come across much better. Now, finally, we've had this capability for a long time to be able to take a PDF. And you can't do PDFs in the same way. What you need to do is you can open a PDF, and then you want to say you open it with, and then you can use any of these different readers, Kami, DocHub, or Zoto. Any of those should work for you to be able to open it up and then edit it.